Hello everyone, welcome you back to my channel. This is room 1270 and I'm at Ocean Coral Springs Resort in Jamaica today. So as you enter the room, on the left hand side, you have this nice closet with a steam iron. And you see some drawers here. And of course there's some hanging and an umbrella that they give you. And then we're in the coffee area and some tea. And then underneath, we have a little refrigerator with some drinks in it for you. And there's the safe. And here's another closet. This is a room definitely made for couples or friends. More drawer space here. And then let's go to the other side. Beautiful mirror so you can get ready. And now let's go into the bathroom. This one has a very beautiful mirror, 2 double sinks, and of course there's some products there for you. And there's a scale and some extra towels underneath. Now we walk in over here and you have 2, not 1, but 2 rainforest shower heads. Place to store your shampoo and different items. And then on the other side, we open this up and you actually have your toilet in this area. Now let's go back and walk through. Over here you have 2 areas that you can again put things. Lots of storage right there underneath with that flat screen TV. And then we have this beautiful 4-poster bed with the fan, nightstand. Of course there's outlets on both sides and you see the reading lights there. And then we move on and we have a lovely sitting area. And of course, bottle of champagne and 2 glasses and some fruit for 2. Over here we have a writing desk. And of course, here's another look at that nice sitting area. Now let's open the curtains up. We have this beautiful chair that you can sit here and 2 chairs here with the table. And of course, look at this. Very private. And this one has a larger balcony. It's really a wraparound. So you can take in more of the views. Now let's step back inside. And here's the room again as you come in off your balcony. This is Jackie White, Sweet Dreams Travel, and I hope you enjoyed this room tour. And don't forget, we provide you with extraordinary travel experiences, and thanks for watching.